How to delete Google account permanently on mobile. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with the steps in order to delete the Google account permanently. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So on your mobile application, we can just go over and open up the Gmail application or any Google associated application, for example, Play Store. After that, we can tap on the profile icon, usually in the top right corner, and select the option for manage your Google account. And then navigate to the data and privacy section. So scroll down and find data and privacy and tap on it. And once we tap on data and privacy, we can look out for the option called more options, or scroll down and go to the very last option and select the option for delete your Google account. And once you have selected that option, we can read out these terms and conditions carefully. And once it is done, you can tap on the option called delete account. You can select the option that you want to permanently delete this Google account and all of its data, and go ahead and confirm it up. And for verification, you might need to re-enter your passport, but you just need to follow out this process and your Google account will be permanently deleted on mobile. And that's it everybody. For now, you can follow out this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.